Hey guys, hopefully everybody is doing well today. Today I'll be doing a mukbang of some pork skins, and I'm drinking on a beer, michelob. It's just something quick and easy for a quick snack. Excuse me, that I'm basically having in the middle of the night. Not really doing anything in my living room because my brothers are basically playing the game in there, so I decided to do one in my room. So yeah, somewhat different scenery today, but yeah, just having a little late night snack. But I'm hopefully everybody is doing well. I'm pretty good, just chilling, relaxing, trying to enjoy my weekend. It's about it, nothing major. Somebody was telling me about this, but I really don't like this kind. It's the Golden Flake Louisiana hot sauce kind. Not that really good. I prefer the one in the red bag or whatever. I forgot what it's called. I think it's Frito brand or whatever. The $2 kind or whatever, but it's better than this. Not even that freaking hot. But yeah, I'm not really doing anything today. I was supposed to go out today, but well, I wasn't really supposed to go out today. I really didn't have any plans if my mom wasn't doing anything, but she decided to stay in, so yeah, this is what I'm doing. I might do something to my hair, which is probably non-existent. That's about it. Nothing major. Oh yeah, I ended up, I got pulled over recently because they said, well, I have temporary tags on my car or whatever because miscellaneous reasons, and they said that those tags that were given to me trace back to multiple other cars. So yeah, that's crazy. I don't know why I hear my brothers in there slamming doors. Bryson, can you call Bryson and see if he gonna get another beer before I drink it?
I think he is gonna go to beer.
Just call him, just be for sure if I drink the beer.
I don't think I can call him on here.
You can. You call me.
I can text.
Yeah, just text him in.
Well, he ain't gonna respond back to me until this nigga mad at me.
Well, see if you see him outside right quick.
He gone. He went to go walk.
So you
drink it. That's your beer. Okay. If he mad, he mad. This is your house. I'll slap that nigga if this nigga get mad about my beer.
Tripping. Yeah. These kids are horrible. But yeah, guess I'll listen to some crap right quick. I'll be right back to you guys. Hey guys, I'm back. I had to go make some wings and cucumbers because those pork skins wasn't doing nothing for me. So yeah, I'm back and I got another beer. I gotta open it up. I'm just eating this. Got some lime wings as well. I just got back up. I was taking a mini nap. Waiting on my food to be ready. Oh yeah. Oh, excuse me. What's a good one? Right now, I'm like sleep eating. Pretty good. I'm really tired right about now. I'm just ready in bed. I really like this beer, but it's not really that strong. I think it's like only 4%. It's only 3.8%, so it's not doing nothing for me. I might as well have a bottle of wine. Ooh. Oh. Can't believe I wasted my money on those dang pork rinds though. I didn't even taste no hot Louisiana hot sauce on it, to be honest. Y'all been on here before me on the last video. I'm gonna start really sleep on here. But for the rest of the weekend, want to actually try to get some rest, clean up around the house a little bit. Really, not for sure what else. Just clean up around the house. I want to wash my hair, but I'm thinking, I want to wash my hair and just style it with whatever. But I'm thinking I'm just gonna wash it and style it probably for my birthday. I really don't know. My birthday is coming up. I'm just like really shocked that I actually made it to 29. I can't. It's surreal to me. I can't believe that. I really can't. It's been a long time coming, and the years have just been flying by. Really. It just really seemed like the time been flying by. I'm just over it. Oh, when I was a kid, I couldn't wait to be an adult. But now it's just like, can I get my youth back? Well, not necessarily my youth, because I'm still young. Yeah, can I get when I was way younger back? It's like, it seemed like ages ago. Last week. I mean, this is my air fryer. It's like really, really crispy. Really crispy. Thought I had some more, some more meat at least. I'm thinking about doing some Uber Eats. I'm wondering if Uber Eats delivered this late. You tell them. Yeah. My brother's in there playing the game, so tell them what they got going on in there. But yeah. Salute. Excuse me. USDA organic. This is some pussy ass beer. But organic light. I guess it is what it is. I'm sleepy. Just gonna probably get in bed, watch some YouTube until I fall out. It's shocking. I don't know, ever since I was like ever since I was younger, I always had to watch TV to actually fall asleep, or even be on the phone when I was a teenager to fall asleep. Now I have to be on the phone, which says like randomly, or even watch YouTube to fall asleep. It's like weird. It's like a habit now. I have to do that. Watch basically anything on YouTube. Not something that's gonna give me nightmares, but like really anything necessarily. asleep now. Mm-hmm. The heck? Big. Seeing something. Like, yeah. Thinking about I guess starting to work out, or at least try to eat more healthier. At least I've been lately I've been trying to drink more water, eat 2 or 3 fruits a day, and eat like at least 1 or 2 vegetables a day. So that's my little whole health kick. And sometimes I even in the morning I do a smoothie or whatever. So really not for sure how I'm gonna put that in my whole lifestyle, but yeah, it's really interesting. It's gonna actually work since I work basically. Well, all I do is sit on my butt basically every day. I really don't do anything. No movement except when I'm like getting up to use the restroom or just getting up in general to just stretch or go to lunch. So see if the whole workout can actually work. I always hate the end of the beers. It's nasty. But yeah, I have to get off of here so I can go to sleep and just chill. Try to chill at least. But yeah, I'm out of here. Hopefully everybody has a great rest of their weekend. I'll see you guys later. If I don't go crazy over here with the shenanigans. Have a good one. See you guys next time.